We are finally going on a road trip, and I am going to test out folding up the Zizzo Forte, loading it into my car, and taking it to my final destination. I'm gonna see how the process is, see if it actually fits my lifestyle all the way, and hopefully everything will go smooth. But first, I'm going to show you guys how I clean the Zizzo Forte, because right now it is very dirty. As you can see, this is absolutely unacceptable and absolutely atrocious. So I'm gonna show you how I clean my bike in my apartment. It's gonna be funky, but it's a process. I used to have a power washer, but I lost the cable to charge it. So this is what I've been doing in the meantime. First things first, I gotta take off all the big accessories so that way I can fold it back down, meaning the phone holder, and then this can just clip off. All right, so that was pretty easy. Next up is this horn and pepper spray holder thing I made. Alrighty, let's take this off. Those should be in the case. Being lazy, I put those up before they get scratched up. All right, next we're gonna take off the front pouch. All right, that was easy. And lastly, we're taking off the backpack. All right, so we got everything off. Now we're gonna carry it to the washing station. Come, follow me. All right, welcome to the washing station. AKA the cleaning machine. So I use Muck Off to clean my bike. Somebody at ATX Bikes store recommended it to me. So I've used this twice and so far it's been really good. So let's get started. First, we're gonna do a quick rinse. All right, there we go. Let's get to that jet mode. All right, oh my goodness, look at all that dirt. And then when I'm done with one side, I like to turn it around. Get those gears all up in there. All right, so we got the bike pre-wetting. As you can see, it's dripping. And now, I don't really know what's in this stuff, but just in case, I have my respirator, because I don't know the ventilation in this area. So I'm gonna throw this thing on, and we're gonna get to work. All right, so we're gonna let that chill for like 5 minutes so I can go into all those deep crevices and stuff and get the bike clean. And then we'll go brush it through, and then we're gonna rinse it off. And then probably go outside even though it's dark and go for a quick bike ride to dry it off. All right, let's get to it. You know what I'm saying? All right, so it's all clean, it looks good. We're gonna take it outside, try to dry off a little bit, bike around. Then we're gonna come back inside, grease the chain, and then get it all packed up for tomorrow to fit it in the car. And then I have to go clean the bathroom because it's a mess. All right, we're out here biking now. Feels way smoother with all that dirt off. We're out here biking, drying it off. This is what I like to call the wind tunnel. All right, so now that I got the bike semi-dry, I'm going to hand dry the rest, and then I'm going to re-grease the gears and do a little maintenance check on it, make sure everything looks so good, the brakes are working good, and then I'm going to fold it up, and I will see you tomorrow. But first, let's get cleaning. I have this little mat that I roll out, so that way my carpet doesn't get dirty. So I've been noticing that a lot of friction when I'm biking, and I can tell that this wheel is rubbing up against one of the brake pads. So I'm going to have to try to figure out how to fix that. That happened when I put on this front rack, and you have to do something with these things. And I think these are where the problem is. So I'm going to try to figure that out. Also, really clunky. It's not smooth. It's really clunky when I'm turning. So I'm going to also try to see if I can detail clean this chain. All right, so I marked a dot. I'm gonna go around with this lubricant to grease everything up. The one thing that confuses me about this, it says dry brake lubricant. No, it says bike. All done. All right, so I'm done with all my repairs. I'm ready to fold this thing up. First things first, let's put down the seat. We're gonna turn it inward towards the kickstand side, just slightly. All right, and then we're gonna lock it down. Next, we're gonna do the handlebars. We're gonna turn it upwards. There we go. Then we're gonna make sure it's fully extended. We're gonna unlock this. There we go. Hold this down. Perfect. Then we're gonna make sure our pedal, this pedal on the inside where it folds, we wanna aim for this little space right here down in the middle. Put the kickstand up, turn this to where the pedal is in the middle. Then on the other side, we're gonna undo the latch, and then we can fold it together. Let's put this off to the side. And now it's time for me to clean and get ready for the road trip tomorrow. Fits in perfectly, very small. All right, let's go. We got a leak. Oh no, we got a leak. We got a leak inside because I have this roof rack type of thing on top. I'll show you. We got a leak. It's coming in. Should have left that strap outside. We're at the rest stop. You can barely see her, but we're about to pump up our mattresses in the back, and I'll let you guys know when we get everything set up. We are just above Waco, Texas. Waco. It's a pretty cool area. Come check it out one day. Tired. This is brutal. Like literally nothing but rain and hydroplaning the whole time. So it's been rough, but you know, gotta get out of Texas and then we can start relaxing. It's the biggest. This is the longest stretch getting out of Texas. It's a big state, but man, stuff like this happens all the time where it's just like backed up because there's an accident. So what's up, everybody? We made it to Arkansas, and I'm feeling it now. I think we're about, I'll say 6 miles in, no, 6 hours. 6 hours in, 5 hours in, I don't remember. But I think we got like 9 hours left. We'll keep pushing. It's just this rain has been draining my energy, but I got some energy right here, so I'll keep pushing through. Not hungry yet. Right now it's 9:34, and gonna keep pushing. Man, we're about halfway to Indiana, and this one has been super tough. Like probably the toughest road trip I've done, because literally it's just been raining non-stop. Finally stopped over here, halfway point, raining non-stop, and we're driving like terrible conditions where it's like you're competing with semi trucks, you're slipping around because of the hydroplaning is rough. So probably gonna take me like a 15-minute nap, chill out at this rest stop, and then continue. But man, it's tough, really tough. We got 4 hours left and it's still raining. That is crazy. Like, that is absolutely wild. And it's coming out super hard. And I got focused. This is crazy. All day. It's been 17 hours. Since yesterday it's been raining straight. From Austin, Texas, all the way up to Indiana. It's just constant rain. Wild. Absolutely wild. So we had a lot of bad luck with this luggage. It is entirely... Oh, wait. No, wait. It's dry.
No way. What about this one?
Some of them are soaked, but some of them are dry. Oh, that one's dry.
How's this one?
This one's semi-dry. And maybe it's just the bottom. Huh.
The top layer is wet.
That's not that bad, though. It's damp. So when we pulled them out, it looked like they were drenched. But turns out they're not that bad. So that's good. It's just the bottom ones. So we just gotta dry them real quick. Let's see on this side. Uh-oh. Yeah, anyways. Should be fine. So she got the worst of it. The bottom of it. That's how much it rained. It rained so much. So bad. This is like completely drenched. It smells like nature water. That was absolutely crazy. After 16 hours, 13 hours just today of non-stop rain, I have finally made it to my location in Indiana. That was the hardest road trip I've ever done. Over 1,000 miles. Raining. Heavy. The whole time. At the end, I started seeing things because I was so tired. But I made it. And I look terrible. So I'm going to go take a shower. And finally sleep. Did I mention that I only got 3 hours of sleep because for some reason when we were in Texas it got super hot. It was hard to sleep in the back of the car. But it was not too uncomfortable. Also, we only ate like 3 granolas and some chips. So, I'm ready to relax. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for joining me on this traveling adventure. And I'll give you an update soon in the next episode of Indiana Travels. Adios.